How's it going, very important people? I'm Alora, and if you typed in LinkedIn, YouTube, or Facebook into the browser of your computer to find the website where this video has been uploaded, then you are using the domain name system. We're actually all using the domain name system, or DNS, when we access the internet. Here at VIP, we help businesses connect to the internet, whether that's through installation or service or maintenance or cabling, whatever it is. We're there to help businesses connect to the internet. That's one of the services we offer, kind of a big deal. Most people need it, but we also like to make sure that our customers have somewhat of an understanding of what's going on. So, what is DNS and how does it work? People name things. That's kind of our thing. It's how we tell one thing from another thing, and the same applies to websites. You have Amazon, you have Google. If you type those into your search bar and you add .com at the end, voila, they magically appear. But what's happening behind all of that is all done in numbers, specifically IP addresses. You can actually type in an IP address into the search bar to get your browser to pull up a website, kind of like a phone number. In fact, the domain name system is often likened to a phone book, in that with a phone book, you look up the name of the person that you want to call, and then the number is listed out to the side. It's the same way. You type in the name of where it is you want to go, and then your server finds the number that will get you there. If you spend any amount of time on the internet visiting the same sites, then you've probably noticed how your browser will kind of autofill websites that you frequently visit when you start typing it into the search bar, and that is a type of caching. Now, a great explanation of caching is if I were to ask you to divide 3,485,250 by 23,235, you would probably pull up the calculator app on your phone and it might take you a minute. But if I asked you a moment later, you would know off the top of your head that the answer is 150. This is what happens on your computer each time you visit a site for the first time and then visit it again after that. Your server is providing you with an answer to a question, the question being the name of the site that you want to find. Let's use Amazon as an example. You're asking your server to find Amazon.com, which might take it a moment if it's never had to find Amazon.com before. But after that initial "Where's Waldo," your server can find Amazon.com much faster. Your server already found Waldo on that page, so it's easier to do it again. Now, occasionally a website's code will get changed, causing it to have to change the answer to the question, which means your server might not be able to find the website you're looking for, and this can result in 404 server not found errors. We've all seen them. The easiest fix for this is just to hit the refresh button a couple of times. Basically, that's telling your server, no, go check again, it's got to be there. Now, this is a very simplified explanation of DNS. There are a lot more components to this process, a lot more steps that your server has to go through to get you where you need to go, but hopefully now you have a better understanding and a greater appreciation of all the technological advances that have gone into making it possible for you to type in a website name on your browser and get there within a few seconds. If you like this video, or if you're still just as confused about DNS, you can still give it a thumbs up. You can also follow us on Facebook, connect with us on LinkedIn, or subscribe on YouTube. All of those would be great. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.